Hi everyone, how are you? Yes, I hope all are good. I am Bhaskar, chemistry teacher from Sri Geetanjali English Medium School. Today I am going to teach you basic concepts in chemistry, that is redox reaction. REDOX, redox. In redox, RED stands for reduction, OX stands for oxidation. So redox reaction is a combination of oxidation and reduction reaction. These two are complementary reactions. So redox reaction is defined as a reaction in which oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. Once again, a reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. In simple terms, oxidation means addition of oxygen, whereas reduction is addition of hydrogen. There are some other differences between oxidation reduction. Let us see a table of oxidation reduction reaction. The first point is addition of oxygen. For example, magnesium combine oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here, oxygen is being added to magnesium. It is oxidation reaction. Next, addition of hydrogen is reduction reaction. For example, nitrogen combine hydrogen to form ammonia. Here, hydrogen being added to nitrogen. It is reduction reaction. Okay. Next, second one, removal of hydrogen is oxidation. H2S combine Cl2 to form HCl and sulfur. Here hydrogen being removed from H2S, it is a oxidation reaction. Next, removal of oxygen is reduction reaction. Zinc oxide plus carbon gives rise to Zn plus carbon monoxide. Here oxygen is being removed from ZnO, it is a reduction reaction. Next, third one, loss of electrons is also considered oxidation reaction. Here Na sodium lose one electron to form Na plus ion. Here electron being removed from sodium, it is a oxidation reaction. Next, gain of electrons. Here chlorine gains one electron and forms Cl minus, also called as chloride ion. Here electron is being gained by Cl, it is a reduction reaction. Next, fourth one is addition of non-metal is an oxidation reaction. In this example, carbon is non-metal being added to zinc oxide, it is an oxidation reaction. Next, addition of metal is reduction reaction. Here, so FgCl2 is called mercury chloride. Combine Hg and form Hg2Cl2. Here magnesium is being a metal added to HgCl2, it is the reduction reaction. Next, fifth one, removal of metal is oxidation. Here potassium being metal, it is removed from Ki, it is an example of oxidation reaction. Next, fifth one here, removal of non-metal is also reduction reaction. HgCl2 plus SnCl2 gives rise to Hg2Cl2 plus SnCl4. Here Cl is the non-metal, is being removed from HgCl2, it is a reduction reaction. Next, sixth one is increase in positive valency or increase in oxidation state, also called oxidation. Here in this equation, magnesium in the reactant side valency is 0. Okay, in product side magnesium oxidation state is 2 plus 2 electrons. Here 0 to 2 plus, it is increase in oxidation state, so it is a oxidation reaction. Here decrease in positive valency or oxidation. Here lead in the reactant side plus 4, in product side plus 2, there is a decrease in oxidation state, is reduction reaction. So totally there are 6 differences between oxidation and reduction reactions, and I have 12 questions for you. Listen carefully and write in a notebook all these questions and answers. After school reopen, please show me. Okay. First question is, define oxidation in terms of oxygen. Next, question number 2. define reduction in terms of hydrogen. Next, question number 3, define oxidation in terms of hydrogen. Question number 4, define reduction in terms of oxygen. Next, question number 5, define oxidation in terms of electrons. Next, question number 6, define oxidation in terms of electrons. Next, question number 7, define oxidation in terms of nonmetal. Next, question number 8, define reduction in terms of metal. Next, define oxidation in terms of metal. Next, question number 10, define reduction in terms of nonmetal. Next, question number 11, define oxidation in terms of positive valency or oxidation state. Next, question number 12, define reduction in terms of positive valency or oxidation state. So here are 12 questions. So write neatly and try to write other than these examples for every question. Okay. Thank you very much for